Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Cronos the New Dawn game crashing, not launching, not loading, black screen, lagging, freezing or other issues on PS5. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart your PlayStation. This is one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problems. You just need to open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. After that, select power button and then select restart PS5. After this, check if the problem is fixed. If not, move to the next solution. Next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first. Now hold down power button unless two beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode and then connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. So after this, check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next solution is to check storage space on console. So for that, open PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete saved data. After doing this, check if the problem is resolved or not. Next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, open settings on your PS5. Now click on network, then settings, then set up network connection. After that, click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.5 GHz. And after that, check if the problem is resolved or not. Next solution is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings first, then go to system. Here select language option in the left sidebar. Now select current language and then change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is fixed or not. Next is to check for game updates. So you should ensure the game is updated and not outdated. First highlight the game, after that press options button. Now choose check for update. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions to update your game. After that, check if the problem is fixed or not. Next solution is to restore licenses. So open settings on your PS5. Now click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Cronos the New Dawn game and then click on restore. Finally, confirm by selecting yes. So after restoring licenses, check if the issue is fixed or not. Next is to check HDMI connection. So you should check whether the HDMI cable is properly connected or not on your PS5. If there is any problem on the cable, then change it and use another one to get rid of the issue. Next is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. After that, check for the problem is resolved or not. Next solution is to sign out and sign in to PS5. So first go to settings, then click on user and accounts. Next go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check if for the error is resolved or not. Next method is to install software updates on PS5. So for that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. After that, go to system software, then system, then software update and settings. After that, select update system software and finally select update using internet option. So after installing the software updates on your PS5, now check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to delete game's save file. For that, open PS5 settings first, then select save data. After that, select upload or delete from console storage and then select Cronos the New Dawn game. After this, check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, first launch settings on your PS5 and then move to system. After that, select reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings. At last, select restore option. So after resetting your console, now try to launch the game and check if the problem is resolved or not. Next is to reinstall Cronos the New Dawn game. For that, first highlight Cronos the New Dawn on your PS5 and press options on your controller. After that, select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Cronos the New Dawn game again and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, the last solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. I have already provided the link in the description. Just go through it. and explain the issue you are coming across, and after that check if the problem is resolved or not. Hopefully the support team will try to resolve it from their end, or will suggest you some solutions that will help to resolve the issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.